Hello, Airsoft here, bringing you Operation Snowstorm. So this game is our first-person shooter. This is Snake Eyes as the recorder. So in this video, we were just experimenting to see if we get any more views or likes by first person. So the video is not as long because there's less action going on from one person's perspective, but there's also no sound because the person forgot to turn sound on. So this might be among the tackiest that you'll see, but pretty enjoyable. Oh, there goes Trusty. This was a it was a position that was never broken. We eventually pressed forward and wiped out everybody.
Yeah, put December.
And right here we have Eagle Eye reloading a revolver, which is a kind of a timely thing in combat, but so right here we're under sniper fire. Bulldog starts stacking logs. Almost gets closely gets almost hit in the face. Trusty's trying to hold up the sniper. They're also being targeted by a couple other AEGs from the silo. Right now, if they move, they will get hit. Smith eventually gets shot in the head by a sniper by this guy right here in the blue, which is red. We do eventually end up pressing forward and wiping out all of them, but there's no exact ending resolution, but I hope you enjoyed the first person. Like I said, it was short. If you'd like to pause the video, here are some of the rules we have. So, yes. Some of the plans you can get. We do now have rental guns. I think it's like $20 a day for AGs. So, March 23rd and 24th, we have Operation Overwatch, which will be a 2-day tournament. So, if you'd like to, send me an email for VIP at trustml@shawneeheights.net. Or find me on Messenger, although I have multiple accounts. Please visit the Blast Airsoft Market on Facebook. There are really good deals on there. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a fantastic day.